To get to the NAEOP app, you can either get it through a text message or get it through a QR code. You can also type in the email address naeop2020.glideapp.io. When you open the app for the first time, you may be prompted to sign in. This requires your name and an email address. This is for photo and chat features only, and for NAEOP to be able to keep track of how many people have downloaded the app onto their phone. The app is not really a download, as it is a web-based application, so it becomes an app when you save it to your home screen on your phone. From an Android phone, you go to the top 3 dots in the upper left right-hand corner, go down to Add to Home Screen, and go ahead and click on Add, and it'll add the NAEOP Salt Lake City app to your phone. This will now look like this. From an iPhone, instead of the 3 dots in the upper right-hand corner, you have a toolbar at the bottom that shows a box with an arrow pointing upward. When you click on that, it'll ask you then if you wish to add it to your home screen, and go ahead and click Add, and then proceed with the same steps. This front page is called the General Information. It has your reservation information on it. To go back, you just click the back arrow. It has a copy of the hotel map, both main floor and second floor. To see what room you need to go to, go ahead and click on the map, and you can use the pinch to zoom feature to figure out where exactly your room is. I've included the airport shuttle information. You're going to want to take the green line to the courthouse station, and the cost is $2.50 each way. I've also included the weekday and weekend track schedule for your convenience. You will have information regarding the hospitality suite. I will add the hospitality suite room number once that is available to us. Your hotel dining options that are available to you inside the actual hotel. Your public transportation information for the UTA Light Rail. And a schedule at a glance. To see the schedule at a glance, again, just click on it, and then you can pinch to zoom and see what time everything is going on. For a full schedule, you're going to click on the calendar icon. The information button is the Did You Know section. These are the frequently asked questions that we hear a lot of people ask about during the conference, or if they thought about something but they weren't quite sure really what it was. These questions will go here. In the calendar icon, you are going to have your full conference schedule. The conference schedule will also include what session number it is, what time it starts, how long it goes for, and what room it'll be located in, along with the description of the actual session. The speaker icon is the keynote and summit speakers. So we're going to go ahead and click on that, and it'll give you a picture of your speaker and the topic that will be taking place, along with the date that it'll be presented to you. The car icon is for the tours. When you go ahead and click on one of the tours and you click on the Register Online button, it will take you to the Southwest Area 2020 Conference Tour page, which is ran by Square, and you can go ahead and book your tours through there if you haven't already done so. The shopping bag icon gives you the local amenities, which are the places of worship, grocery stores, restaurants, shopping areas, pharmacies, urgent care, and coffee shops. The icon directly to the right of it is for your around town. These are things of interest to see around town, downtown Salt Lake City. And when you go ahead and click on it, it gives you the information about what it is, what the actual posted hours are, the address should you want to get there using your GPS, and a phone number and website. This photo app is the reason why everybody is signing in. We want to give credit where credit is due. And if you've uploaded a photo, we want to know that you took it. So to upload a photo, you click on the plus button in the upper corner, click on the upload button, select an image, click on done, give your photo a title, And once it's uploaded and ready, you'll have a check mark. Go ahead and click on that, and that will upload it for you. To open the image, just click on it. There is a chat feature that is available to you. You will need your PIN number that you received when you signed in. If you haven't already signed in, it'll prompt you again to sign in. You only need to enter in your first name so it can record who you are, and then you can go ahead and type in your message. And then click on the little envelope down at the bottom, and it'll show up and let you know who it was that typed that message out. This can come in handy, especially if you happen to have left something behind in one of the rooms and you're trying to locate it. This will let other people know who have the chat, whether to keep a lookout for it. Also, if you are on a computer, it may ask you if you wish to receive alerts. This is a personal preference, but it will alert you every time there is a change to the app or a chat message. This application is a live application, so once the spreadsheet is updated, if you have the app open, it will take up to 2 minutes. If the app is currently closed and then you open it, when you open it, you should have the most current version of times and locations available to you. So if there happens to be a room change and you've heard about a room change but it hasn't shown up on your app yet, give it a couple minutes or close the apps and reopen it. I hope this app will help guide you along your tour for the 2020 conference, and we'll see you in Salt Lake.